up? What's up? What's up? You already know. This is Peach. And so today we have to go to a couple stores, okay? We need to go to Walmart, which I'm in Walmart parking lot right now. And then I also need to run into Best Buy to see if they got the ink I need, because, oh baby, I've been looking for ink for like a whole week straight. Still haven't been able to find it. So hopefully Best Buy will have it, because I didn't check Best Buy. I don't never have my mask, okay? I got kids' masks all times in the car. So that's what I got on, one of the kids' masks. And then they beat like I'm stealing. Oh, I have a return. I'm returning the ink I bought that didn't fit. Okay, thank you. So we're gonna do a packet a day. I need a 243 or a 245. So this still didn't fit my printing, so I have to return it at customer service. And this line is long as heck. Oh my goodness. We'll see if they got the ink that I need in here first before I go to Best Buy, and then we'll return this. I ain't got time to wait. And then I also need to get some drinks and stuff for the kids, because we're out of all their little Black Friday stuff out. They got their Halloween candy 50% off too, but I'm not buying that. We don't need no candy. They got so much Halloween candy that night. They got their little stuff out that's gonna be on sale, I assume, on Black Friday. Not bad for a little POTSET. I think I like this. Look at this. I want one of these because I want to cook my bacon on there. I went to a friend's house for breakfast, and they was cooking bacon on one of those, the bacon stem ox. Perfect. Okay? I was like, ooh, I need one of those pots. But not today. Today we're going to just stay focused. We're trying to learn how to budget our money and not be an impulsive shopper. Now I'm looking for the thing that'll say printer. They normally had a little tag, digital storages, wearable accessories, cameras, movies, memory cards. I'm gonna assume it's on this side by the computers. Let's see. They finally got computers again in Walmart. I want to do Best Buy finally got computers, because they didn't have none for the longest. All right, here's the computer printer ink. We need Canon 245 or 243. We got a 244. $244 is color. See, look, the 243 is out of stock. This is happening everywhere I go. I might have to order it online. 245 also out of stock. Yep, it's a struggle for ink, child. In these COVID here, I need to see about getting baby a coat. Or I might go to Burlington Coat Factory. Because it's finally getting cool in Florida. Like right now, however, it's like 72 degrees. And I think that that's cold because I'm a Florida native. So to me, 72 is, you need to put on a jacket. But to y'all, 72 might be like y'all still with shorts. But in Florida, Marshalls or Burlington, not today. Maybe tomorrow, if I don't find a nice coat in here. Nice big coat. Look at these. Oh, this big size. These only $4.50 for the tops and bottoms. We don't need that. Baby is in a 24 months now. He's so big. Let's see. Yeah, I don't like they got no big coats. This is so cute, dude. $8.44. I don't know if I pay $8.44 for that, but it's cute. Yes, I don't think they got no big coats at this location in baby size. So what else we came here for? Some juice. Let's get our juice, and then I'm gonna get my money back for my old wipes. So we're gonna grab these right here. Pampers Wipes is my favorite. $1.88. I don't know. I never buy the big cases because my kids just to play with them. I'm that mom who kids just be in everything, aka gorgeous. Now let's get the juice that I need. I need juice and I need macaroni. I have not been grocery shopping lately or going to Sam's Club. Like, I come to the grocery store every day instead. I'm gonna get some washing powder because I'm almost out. I've started buying Gain lately, this little Moonlight. No, not that one. I want the Moonlight. I don't see it. The Gain Moonlight Breeze. It smells so good. Yep, they out of it, I guess. It probably was like right here. They got it in the flings. Moonlight Breeze. Hold on. Oh, here we go. They only got the little ones. They don't got the big ones. But this is something I've been buying lately. The Game Moonlight Breeze. Because it just haven't been strong. The Tide is my favorite. But it's been kind of weak lately. Guess I'll try the Island Fresh. Hopefully we like it. I'm going to get another Downy while I'm in here as well. The Downy here is way cheaper than Family Dollar. I went to Family Dollar recently and got some Downy. For this same size bottle, it was $11. Start being wise. Stop being so careless. And I do need some Clorox. Now I have to buy Clorox just because this one say it kills 99% germs. But this one is it splashless. I thought the peach patch said the splashless don't kill germs. Y'all told me that last time. But on here it say it kills 99% of germs. This is the regular Clorox. Why the regular Clorox so much more? So the regular Clorox is $4.42. And then the splashless is $3.97. Let's get the regular one. So put this one big. And that's the last regular one. It sucked though. I miss being able to buy bleach for $1. But not $1 bleach. It just sucks so bad. It's not worth it. I go to Dollar Tree for my paper plates. I get 30 for $1. These are $3.98. They used to be cheaper than this. Let's see. 30 times 4 would be $120. So you get 30 extra plates. Buying them from here. So I'm just going to get them from here today. Let's get this one. Okay, the next thing I'm going to get is this Minute Maid Tropical Punch. I just bought some of this the other day. And I bought 3 jugs. And my kids ran through the 3 jugs in 2 days. I don't know. I'm like, maybe I do need to go back to getting Capri Suns. But they go through them so fast. I'm going to start encouraging them to drink more water and more milk. Like the energy is so like calm, nonchalant in here today. All the kids still in school. What? This clearance 50% off Halloween stuff. That syrup still, I was looking at that syrup, but that thing $13.98 with 50% off. That ain't worth it. The waffle mix would be $1 a piece. But it's buttermilk. I don't need no pancake mix. Peaches, you don't need that, girl. Quit tripping. Let's see. Comment down below if y'all think I should buy this stuff just because it's 50% off. This is my problem. Is the Funfetti stuff 50% off too, or it's just right there in the wrong spot? Thank you. She's gonna check and see if the Funfetti is 50% off. Okay, so the Funfetti is regular price. So just the Halloween stuff. So yeah, we're not gonna buy this. Thank you. Now we got our juice. What else I need out of here? I think that's all I needed, but you never know with me. Trying to think. Girl, you don't need nothing else out of here. Get a big jug of water. Let's do that. Now I'll get it out of Dollar Tree. No, let's get it out of here. It's 98 cents in here, girl. Save your 2 pennies. Get it out of here. Honestly, we have food. The only thing I do need to buy still is macaroni and cheese. Because we ain't got no more box macaroni. Excuse me. What I want, I do not see it. I wanted y'all know my favorite water. I'm going to have to get it out of Dollar Tree. That's not going to work. You know them 80 cents. I was say, Zephyr Hills is how much? The Zephyr Hills is 98 cents. I guess I could get that. This is not my favorite though. Girl, you going to Dollar Tree, you could just wait. impulse shopper. To see if we needed to get anything else. He was like, nope, that's all we needed. So, yeah. The lines are long, even the self-checkout line. It's one thing about coming to Walmart. Y'all know it's always going to be a line. Lately, Publix hasn't been having this juice, though. So, that's why I had to come here to get it. Go ahead and start ringing this stuff up. Y'all, election night was last night. And they took Florida's minimum wage to $15 an hour. But it won't be finalized until 2026. Ain't that crazy? Hold on, that juice said 98 cents. Walmart always lying. Juice said 98 cents. The water, 98 cents. Now it's ringing up 114. Can't trust Walmart. I don't even feel like making a big deal about it. I'm just like, whatever. That's $3.22. I can't believe bleach is this much. And you gotta get Clorox. I think I need to go to the janitor supply store and start getting my bleach that way. That bleach is way stronger and better than Clorox. Alright, so our total ended up being our total ended up being $47.60. God showed us be looking out for me because I had got $100 cash back and completely forgot it. Like, I heard the machine say, but they had already given me my receipt. So I grabbed my receipt, which is right here. Grabbed my receipt and just walked off. And the lady was like, ma'am, I turned around. And she was like, look, you forgot, and handed me the 100. Thank God for that, because she could have just kept it to the customer service desk to return our ink. It looks like the line has died down. So I made a good decision to go ahead and shop instead of just waiting. I made it out of Walmart, returned my ink. Now I'm about to go across the parking lot to Best Buy and hope and pray they got this ink. If not, I might just end up having to buy a whole new printer because this was just ridiculous. But I did look online. I seen a couple places that have it, so I might just buy it online. Who knows? I'm hoping Best Buy got it. I hate shopping online. Beach Patch, we're headed to Best Buy. I got my windows down because the weather nice. It done got a little warmer now. It's 80 degrees. So you can take your jacket off now if you want to. But I'm keeping my own. I'm not cold, but I just don't want nobody to notice me. Today is one of those days where I don't want to be bothered. Y'all ever feel like that? I got my little shades on. Well, really, these are my glasses, but got my shades on, got my hood on. Just really don't want to be noticed. Really just want to get my stuff and go home. I have days like that. I normally don't record when I feel like that, though. But today, we're going to record because she got to work. Work. I just left Walmart, which is literally across the parking lot. And I'm about to walk up in Best Buy, and we're hoping and praying and wishing and hoping that they got the ink that we need. We are now in Best Buy, about to head to the printer section to see if they got the ink that I need. I do not want to keep going to stores. Actually, this is going to be my last time. If they ain't got ink, then we just going to order online. Oh, look at this little boom box. It's $49. I should get Daddy this. Daddy love music. $50. I wonder if it's loud. They got a little cassette player on it. Who remember boom boxes? Daddy used to be riding around on his bike when we was teenagers playing his boom box. I used to be so embarrassed, like, why he gotta ride around with this boom box? Then he ended up building a little bike thing, a music thing on his bike. Yeah, I was so embarrassed. All right, ink. These are the printers. I see the inks on the back wall. Let's hope they got it. They finally got printers in stock, y'all. Before, they only got a little bit. Before, they ain't had no printers at Best Buy. That's how I end up getting a little cheap one at Walmart. Look at this. The ink I need is gone. $2.45 gone. $2.43 gone. This is crazy. $2.41 is color. I need black ink. Oh, Lordy. I give up. I'm just going to order online, y'all. I want a GoPro for Christmas. I'm going to buy me one. That's going to be my Christmas gift to myself. Where they at? Where's the cameras? Right here. I'm going to get the GoPro, probably the GoPro. Which one is the GoPro 360? This must be the new one. GoPro Max. No, they record front and back. I'm going to get me one. Soon. $4.49. I never heard of this place. What's this?
We've added OptionSync 2.0, so you can fly longer and see clearer.
What's this stuff?
So you can fly like a pro.
So it's like a drone with a camera. I'll probably invest in one of these. How much this cost?
Here's the best part. Automatic obstacle.
Yeah, this one is $15.99. This is pretty cool. You got a camera right here. And a camera in the back. Wow. 2 in the front. 2 in the back. I'm going to have to treat myself to something like this for Christmas. Because, y'all, I'm about to take my YouTube to the next level. That one $13.49. That's pretty cool. But they got these little ones. This one $2.99. That's the camera. Then you see it right here. And it moves. Wow. This the one you can mount to stuff. Child, that's gonna be a Christmas gift to myself. Yep. Let me get out of here. I gotta go to Publix and get this milk.
Like you like for your girl. You like my pictures. Hit her like you like. You like my videos. Hit her like you like. You ain't no hater. Hit her like you like. You getting paper. Hit her like you like. Go like. Let's go. Like to the flow. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like you like and send that love my way. Like. Let's go. Like, follow. Like. Hit her like. Hit her like you like. For your girl, go. Fly with a like. Rock with a like. To the left, to the right. Go like. Australia better like. US better like. UK hit her like. I like. Hit her like it like. Hit her like. For your girl. Take it back to the like. From the left to the right. Go like. Scotland better like. Hit her like. Go left to the right. Go like. Africa go like. Worldwide go like. I hope y'all like this sound. Yep, that's right. Hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.